President, Your Excellency, the Prime Cabinet Secretary, our Speaker of the National Assembly and your family, speakers from the region present here, allow me to ride on the protocols already established. Hamjambo. Hivyo Junet anasema ni kweli, Mheshimiwa Rais, jina yangu inakaribia machungwa, lakini naona sana inakaribia majina ya hapa, sababu hapa utasikia Mhwana na yangu inakuwa Ishungwa. Ni kukaribia tu, inakaribia machungwa sababu ya hiyo mambo ya upana na urefu wa serikali ya broad base. Your Excellency, mine is not a speech, is just to introduce the members of parliament and senators present who have joined our speaker and our brother Honorable Tim Wanyonyi, the MP for Westlands, who are colleagues in the National Assembly, and that year Honorable Wanyonyi says that your constituents from Westlands are also here present to condole with you. And allow me to quickly, I'll just mention your name, you rise up, and the congregation can be able to see you. We have the ODM spokesperson in government, the Honorable Peter Kaluma, Homa Bay Town MP, present. Martin Pepela, investor from Webuye East. Nabii Nabwera, hapo. Lugari Patrick Makau, Commissioner Patrick Makau, who serves in the Parliament Service Commission with the Speaker as his chairman. Jack Wamboka from Bumula is there. Malulu Ijendi Malava is there. Peter Navulindo is there. Kakai Bisau, Kakai is there. Emmanuel Wangwe was here. Faith Gitao, Commissioner, also serving with the Speaker in the Parliament Service Commission. We have Catherine Wabilanga, who was here. Majimbo Kalasinga was here. Oku Kaunya was also here. John Makali, Kandui. John Waluke, Chairman, was here. Ferdinand Wanyonyi was here. We have Dr. James Nyikal from Seme, he's there. TJ Kajwang, Ruaraka, CJ. Beatrice Elachi, Dagoretti North. Bernard Shinali, Ikolomani. Dick Maungu is there. We have our Deputy Speaker, the Speaker's Deputy, Madam Gladys Boss Sholei. We have Gabriel Tongoyo, he's there. Mishimboko, Commissioner Mishimboko, she's there. Innocent Mugabe, ndiye huyo hapo. Patrick Simiyu. We have Fred Kapondi, so from this county, he's right there. Honorable Gashobe Subukia. Mwalimu Orero, some of there. Robert Pukose, Trans Nzoia. Beatrice Adagala was here. Anthony Oluoch, Madare. Irene Mayaka, nominated. John Chikati was here. Alpha Miruka is there. Naomi Wako, our Deputy Whip, Majority, she's there. Mwalio Mbui, Masinga, Mwalio, somewhere there. We have Johnson Naika, Mumias West. Naika is very tall, I don't see where he is. Janet Citienei, Tarbo, Janet is here. David Kiplagat, DK Soy. Marianne Kitanyi, Aldai. We have Owen Bayer, the Deputy Majority Leader. Jeanette Mohammed was here. We have Didmas Barasa Kimilili. You can't miss him with his kofia. Mary Amase from Teso South. Gideon Ochanda from Bondo. We have Millie Odhiambo, our minority whip. We also have Karoli Omondi, Paul Abur, Lilian Gogo, David Ochieng, member of the Speaker's panel, Samuel Atandi, Alego Songa, Paul Biego, Chesumei, Joses Lelmengit, from Mwen, Samuel Moroto, Kapenguria, mzee wetu, mwalimu, Peter Lochakapung, from West Pokot, also Sigor, and I've seen Machele Mohammed, the MP from Vita, has just walked in. I don't know if there's any. Peter Selassie, I'm told, is also here. Oh, wako wengi. Peter Selassie is there. Who is that? Oh, Aladwa is there. Mwalimu TM is there from Gembe. We have Gashagwa Yule Mzuri from Daragwa. Kwanza member of parliament was here. Elsie, where is Elsie? Oh, Elsie is there. We have Nyamoko, Mheshimiwa Nyamoko from Nyamira. We have a member of parliament for Langata, Jalango. We have Cherorot from Kipkelion West. Nani? Oh, Kagesi, and behind you? Mulanya, Kagesi Vihiga, Mulanya is also there. Oh, Fred. Fred Ikana amekuwa Shinyalu. Oh, Sabina Shege is also here. Hiribai is also here from Galore. Oh, mzee wetu Julius Sunkuli is also there. We also have Robert Mbui, who is also the deputy leader of minority, deputy ya Junet. Na tarajia ataingia kwa broad base. Ashaingia. I'm told we also have senators, our deputy speaker in the Senate, Mheshimiwa Kadhuri, who is here. We have Senator Matinga from Nyeri County, Senator for Uasin Gishu, Senator Mandago. We have Senator Sifuna, Nairobi. Ndiye huyo. Kijana wa nyumbani hapa. We have Senator Miraj. Ndiye huyo hapo. Senator Mungatana, Tana River. I also see Irene Joki walking in now. I see Alice Nganga Thika. I see the women rep for Nyeri, Rehab Mukami. Who is that other one? And the women rep for Taita Taveta, Haika Mzigi. There is also Senator Karen Nyamu. Ndiye huyo hapo, Karenzo. Senator Beatrice Ogola. They are nominated ODM. Senator Alan Chesang. They are from Trans Nzoia. Senator Raphael Chimera. And the leader of minority in the Senate, Senator Madzayo. Oh, Catherine Muma, Senator Catherine Muma and Senator Madzayo. I hope there's nobody else I left behind. Oh, I see, is that Eddie? Senator Eddie from Migori County. Oh, Commissioner Okongo Omugeni, who also serves in the Parliamentary Service Commission with the Speaker, under the chairmanship of the Speaker, and Senator Joyce Korir, also in the Parliamentary Service Commission. Asanteni sana. Sorry for taking a lot of your time. As we have been guided, kufuatia matakwa ya mama, hatutakuwa wengi wa maneno. I think the introductions have taken a bit of time. But let me also take this opportunity, Honorable Speaker, on behalf of the entire National Assembly, not only the members of Parliament present here, both members of the National Assembly and senators, but even many others who are not here, including recorded apologies from the leader of majority in the Senate, who is not here with us this afternoon, but has sent me with his message of condolences. He is out of the country, and he had hoped to be here today. But on behalf of all members of Parliament, since you are the chairman of the Parliamentary Service Commission that serves both houses, allow me to convey our condolences to you and your family. Mzee Dominic, vile alisema hapa, ni kweli, yeye ni ndume. Kama ndiye alitupea speaker ndume kama wewe, na ni ndume kwa mambo mingi, ikiwemo mambo ya rusungu. Mzee Dominic ametuambia hii kijiji hapa, he was the first man to converse in English. Na sasa tukifika pale Posta Grounds, wakati wa campaign, mnajua ile rusungu, speaker huwa anaongea akisema my people. Sasa tunajua ndio hiyo Bungoma imeingia kwa laini. Lakini speaker, tumejua leo ya kuwa huo undume wako na ujasiri wa kisiasa na hata kizungu chako kumbe sio yako, kumbe uliomba kwa mzee. Lakini tunashukuru mzee kwa hayo yote. And as we also celebrate, as you told us last week when we came to condole with you here last week, that we are celebrating the life of your mom and for the many years that God has graciously given us to given your mom to the world and to you as a family, to serve you as a family and also serve our nation, because without mom and mzee, we will not have you as speaker serving the great nation in the manner that you serve, or even Mheshimiwa Tim Wanyonyi and all your siblings in the various capacities that they continue to serve this nation under. Sitaki kusema mengi zaidi ya hayo. Yale Junet Mohamed amesema, nafikiri amesema ya broad base. Sababu it is true, Your Excellency, that he who much is given, we are told much is expected. We will encourage you in the new year, take everything that is said to you or said of you in your stride. Vile Junet amesema, ukiitwa Zakayo, wewe endelea kukusanya ushuru. Sababu hiyo ushuru ndio itatusaidia kutengeneza ile mabarabara. Umesikia mbunge wa Kabuchai akiongea hapa, hiyo stadium umesikia ikiulizwa hapa, hata the college that you are being asked to elevate by mzee, all needs resources. Ukiitwa Kasongo, Mheshimiwa Rais, wewe weka wimbo, dance vile ulifanya on New Year's Eve, and take everything in your stride. Because Your Excellency, when they serve you with lemonade, with lemons, just make lemonade out of it, but remain focused on what you are charged to do for the people of Kenya when they elected you just over 2 years ago. You have a 5-year mandate in a constitutional democracy, as my brother Juneta said, and within that time period of 5 years, you have our assurances that we will continue to support you and your agenda in bettering the lives of the people of Kenya. Do not listen to the naysayers, Your Excellency. Whether it is the universal health coverage or Taifa Care or SHA, Your Excellency, at the end of it, when this program works, it will benefit the majority of the Kenyan people. And the few naysayers should not derail the dreams and aspirations of the majority of Kenyans. And we therefore want to encourage you to remain focused and continue delivering to the people of Kenya. Together with the Speaker, I am certain, and the leadership even of the minority in the Assembly, we will support your agenda and continue to support your government, Your Excellency. Sitaki kupoteza kama Mheshimiwa Kabuchai Kalasinga amekuambia convert this gathering to bunge. Mheshimiwa Rais, unajua hiyo ni kazi ya Speaker Wetangula. Ndiye tu anaweza kuconvert any sitting through gazettement into parliament. Kwa hivyo Kalasinga asikupoteze hapo. Hiyo ni kazi ya Papa wa Roma. Kwa hayo mengi, Mheshimiwa Rais, nataka nikomee hapo. Nimuulize Gitonga. Your Excellency, let me give mzee wetu mzee wa kijiji, mzee Papa Atuoli, dakika moja atusalimie. Kama tu nimesimama hapa. Mzee Atuoli, kuja tu dakika moja upeane